Withings Body Scan. First up, we have the Withings Body Scan. Now you might be thinking another smart scale, but wait, this one is different. This isn't just any scale, it can perform ECGs and even assess nerve activity. Withings is a reputable brand known for its health and fitness gadgets, and the Body Scan is a game changer. It connects to your Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor health data from anywhere. This is especially useful if you're buying it for an elderly family member. You can keep an eye on their health metrics no matter where you are. It's incredibly easy to use. Just stand on it and hold the handlebar. In seconds, you'll get a comprehensive health analysis, including segmented body composition. The handlebar is crucial because it allows the device to pass a small electric current through your body, which is how it gathers such accurate data. Traditional scales only use surface conductors that measure through your lower body, but this method covers your entire body for more precise results. Plus, their smartphone app provides in-depth analytics and health tips. You can track your progress over time, see trends, and even get personalized health recommendations. It's the world's first smart scale with ECG capabilities. How cool is that? Bebird N3 Pro. Next, we have the Bebird N3 Pro, a revolutionary ear cleaning tweezers. Forget cotton buds. This smart device uses robotic arm technology to ensure safe and precise ear cleaning. With its 10 million pixel HD camera and LED lights, you get a clear, real-time view inside your ear. The special lenses eliminate shadows, providing greater accuracy and precision when cleaning. Bebird comes in 3 size options, so it's suitable for the whole family, from adults to kids. It's incredibly versatile. The tweezers and the visual cleaning rod ensure you can see what you're doing, making ear cleaning safer than ever. The 360-degree angle projection and 6-axis gyroscope ensure the device maintains the right measurement, preventing any injury from improper or too deep insertion. It's even safe for kids as young as 3 years old. And get this, a 1-hour charge gives you up to a month of usage. Talk about convenience. Cellect Beauty Beam. If you're looking to improve your skin, check out the Cellect Beauty Beam. This portable device uses red and blue LED lights to combat acne, hyperpigmentation, and wrinkles. Red LED lights emit wavelengths between 625 to 850 nm and radiate heat up to 104 degree F, penetrating deep into the dermis to reduce the signs of aging. The blue light mode emits wavelengths up to 415 nm, penetrating 0.5 mm deep to tackle hyperpigmentation. Use it daily for about 15 minutes, and you'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. For acne, you can expect improvements in about 4 weeks, and for wrinkles, around 7 weeks. The device automatically turns on when it's near the skin and off when it's away, making it super easy to use. Cellect is lightweight, portable, and battery-powered with a 2-hour battery life. It charges via USB-C, making it convenient to use anywhere. It's expected to cost around $200 and should hit the market early this year. Definitely a must-have for your skincare routine. Olly Smart Lamp. Meet Olly, the smart lamp that helps you sleep faster by creating the perfect ambiance to control melatonin. It's small, portable, and has a battery life of about 4 hours. Connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth to control brightness and color. You can also set an automatic timer to turn off the lamp after 25 minutes. It has 2 colors: white for reading and orange for a warm, relaxing glow. The night mode eliminates blue light, helping you fall asleep faster. Just set it up in your room and you're good to go. The magnetic holder is a neat feature. Turn the lamp on by attaching it to the holder with the logo facing front. To turn it off, just turn it or take it off the base. Olly is compact enough to carry in your backpack or even your pocket. Perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Flowtime Biosensing Meditation Headband. For those into meditation, the Flowtime Biosensing Headband is a must-have. It's super lightweight and packed with features like heart rate and brainwave sensors. This headband helps you track stress levels and guides you through meditation sessions. The real-time sensors provide accurate data, helping you understand your tension and relaxation levels. Their mobile app provides visual analytics and real-time data. Plus, Flowtime offers a 3-month free meditation training program via their app. It's like having a personal meditation coach, perfect for achieving a relaxed state of mind. Morphee Meditation and Sleep Assist. If you struggle with sleep, the Morphee Meditation and Sleep Assist is here to help. This device offers various meditation modes and durations to help you relax and sleep better. Morphee is a wireless device with a battery life of around 10 days. It features different meditation modes and time durations that you can choose before starting your session. The keys are reminiscent of old-school alarm clocks, making it easy to navigate. It has a built-in speaker, but you can also connect your headphones for a private session. Whether you're at home or traveling, Morphee is your portable meditation and sleep assistant. SolaWave 4-in-1 Skincare Wand. Now, let's talk skincare with the SolaWave 4-in-1 Wand. This gadget offers facial massages, microcurrent therapy, and light therapy with red and blue lights. SolaWave is designed to improve blood flow, reduce puffiness, and combat acne. The red light therapy helps rejuvenate your skin, while the blue light targets acne-causing bacteria. The microcurrents help lift and firm your skin, making it look younger. It's fully wireless and operates on a rechargeable battery that lasts about an hour. You can recharge it with a micro USB cable. Users have reported significant improvements in their skin's appearance, including reduced dark spots and under-eye circles. Definitely worth trying. Alyfini Electric Face. Introducing the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber, the ultimate tool for deep cleansing and radiant skin. Let's talk about what makes this device so special. Made from food-grade silicone and ABS resin, the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber combines durable materials with cutting-edge technology to deliver unparalleled results. This sleek, battery-powered brush is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, with dimensions of 2.36 by 1.69 by 6.29 inches. It's compact and portable, perfect for both home use and travel. One of the standout features of the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber is its deep cleansing capability. The silicone bristles paired with efficient sonic vibrations work with your favorite facial cleansers to create a rich, smooth foam that removes makeup, dirt, and excess oil. The result? 24-hour hydration and a non-greasy feel. This device also offers personalized pre-shave solutions with a nose brush head and 5 vibration intensities ranging from 11,500 to 6,900 revolutions per minute. It caters to all skin types: oily, dry combination, and even sensitive skin. The nose scrubber ensures thorough cleansing of hard-to-reach areas like the nose and eyelids, making your shave smoother and more comfortable. But that's not all. The Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber doubles as a thermal massager. This feature enhances the absorption of facial serums and lotions, promoting blood circulation and delivering firmer, more elastic, and healthier skin. It's like having a mini spa session at home. Worried about charging and water exposure? The device boasts a sealed DC charging port that prevents moisture and dust from entering. A full charge takes just 1 hour and 40 minutes and lasts up to a month with daily use. Plus, with its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can safely use it in the shower without any hassle. Hello at home hot stone spa experience. Ultimate relaxation at home with the Elo at home hot stone spa. This luxurious system harnesses the therapeutic power of hot stones to soothe your muscles, relieve stress, and improve your sleep quality. Featuring 7 heavy, hand-shaped volcanic stones, the spa allows you to choose from 3 different temperature settings to customize your relaxation experience. Simply place the heated stones anywhere on your body and let the warmth melt away tension. The Elo at Home Hot Stone Spa isn't just about physical relaxation, it's designed to enhance your overall well-being. The system includes a built-in diffuser, which allows you to infuse your space with your favorite essential oils, creating a truly immersive sensory experience. The customizable ambient light rings add another layer of tranquility, enabling you to create the perfect atmosphere for unwinding after a long day. Whether you're looking to relieve sore muscles after a workout or simply want to create a spa-like retreat in your bedroom, the Elo Hot Stone Spa offers a versatile and effective solution. HoomBand Audio Bedtime Headband. Next, let's talk about the HoomBand Audio Bedtime Headband. This innovative headband is designed to help you achieve a restful sleep through auditory relaxation. Connecting to an app, it plays a variety of soothing content, including guided meditations, hypnotic stories, soundscapes, white noise, and ASMR made from ventilated and elastic fabric. The HoomBand ensures comfort throughout the night. The Bluetooth 5.0 module provides seamless connectivity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite audio content without the hassle of cables. The HoomBand Audio Bedtime Headband is more than just a sleep aid. It's a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to improve their nightly routine. The app offers a wide range of content tailored to different preferences, whether you need help winding down with a calming story or prefer the rhythmic sounds of nature. Its lightweight, breathable fabric ensures that you remain comfortable even on warmer nights. Plus, the Bluetooth functionality means you're not tethered to your device, giving you the freedom to move around as you get ready for bed. With the HoomBand, you can transform your bedtime into a serene, uninterrupted experience. EarBuddy Ear Cleaner. Say goodbye to traditional cotton swabs and hello to EarBuddy. This eco-friendly ear cleaner features patented technology designed to safely and gently clean your ears. At 30% smaller than cotton swabs, the EarBuddy is made to clean your ears quickly and comfortably. Its inflatable tip ensures safety by preventing harm to your eardrum while effectively removing dirt, grime, and wax. The reusable and eco-friendly nature of EarBuddy provides a sustainable alternative to disposable cotton swabs, making it a great option for anyone concerned about their hygiene and the environment. Available for both adults and children, EarBuddy is made from recyclable materials, giving you peace of mind about your hygiene choice. Backtrack Go Keychain Breathalyzer. Last but not least, we have the Backtrack Go Keychain Breathalyzer. If you drink, this gadget can help you stay safe and avoid DUIs. It's small, affordable, and provides quick blood alcohol level readings. Just blow into it and you'll get an accurate measurement in seconds. It's perfect for making sure you're safe to drive, a must-have for responsible drinking.